Hello everyone, today in Sangee's Cookery, we are going to see how to prepare the Sadasadayam Payasam. This Sadasadayam Payasam is usually prepared in Kerala and this is prepared for the Shasta Pridi festival as an offering, as a Nevedya for Lord Ayyappa. This is a very rich payasam as it contains coconut milk as the main ingredient. Few people call this payasam as Chadachadayam or few people call it as Sadasadayam according to their own convenience. So let's see how we can interestingly prepare this delicious payasam. And if you're watching my video for the first time, I would request you all to subscribe to my channel and also click on the bell icon for further interesting recipes and notifications. The ingredients required for preparing the Sadasadaya Payasam or the Idichapunja Payasam are, I've taken 1 cup of the Jeeraga Samba rice or the Jeera rice. This is a very flavorful rice, or you can take 1 cup of raw rice. So for 1 cup of raw rice, it is 2 cups of jaggery. I've actually grated the jaggery, and about half a cup of the sugar candy or the kalkand we call it as. I will be preparing coconut milk out of this grated coconut. This is 2 small coconut which I'll be making first milk, second milk and the third milk. Half a teaspoon to 3/4 teaspoon of the dry ginger powder. 2 small banana. We can take the Elaki banana or the Poovan banana. Or if you have the Kerala long banana which is called as Nendram Palam, you can also use Nendram Palam. You have to cut it into small pieces. Finally, you can add 1 tablespoon of the unsalted butter. The preparation of the coconut milk will be, for the first milk I'll be adding half a cup of hot water and then squeezing it and extracting the milk out of it. And for the second milk I'll be adding 1.5 cups of water. For the third milk I'll be adding around 2 to 2.5 cups of water. So I'll be preparing 3 milks out of this grated coconut. So what I've done is I've washed the Jeeraga Samba rice and I've actually taken the third milk. I'm going to cook the Jeeraga Samba rice with the third coconut milk, which is the diluted coconut milk, for about 3 whistles in the pressure cooker. So we're going to cook it for about 3 to 4 whistles. Now I have the coconut milk which is extracted. I have actually cooked the Jeeraga Samba rice with the third milk, which is the diluted milk. I have some more milk which is left, and this is the second milk, slightly thicker than the third milk. This is the first coconut milk, which is the thick coconut milk, which we'll be adding it finally. So it's been about 4 whistles. I'm going to open the cooker. So you can see that the rice is cooked nicely in the third coconut milk. I'm going to mash it nicely. In a thick bottom kadai, I've taken 2 cups of jaggery. I have powdered the jaggery. I'll be adding some water and let's melt the jaggery, and I'll be straining the jaggery so that the dust particles can be removed. Now I have the strained jaggery syrup. In this I'm also adding the sugar candy, which is approximately around half a cup. You can also use the diamond sugar candy. Today I just got this big ones, so I'm just adding it. Adding sugar candy will add to the flavor of the payasam. So once the jaggery begins to bubble, I'm just adding the mashed rice, Jeeraga Samba rice. Now we're going to allow the Jeeraga Samba rice to get nicely cooked in the jaggery syrup. So you can see that the rice is nicely cooked in the jaggery and in the sugar candy syrup. Now at this stage I'll also add the second coconut milk, which is the slightly thicker version than the third coconut milk. So let this get cooked in the second coconut milk for about 5 to 6 minutes. Now at this stage I'll also add the finely chopped banana. Few people add the whole banana, but it's preferable to add finely chopped banana. The color of my jaggery is slightly light brown in color, so that is why this payasam has become more light in color, because we are adding the coconut milk as well. But if you add the pagavellam, which is dark brown in color, you will get a nice brown color payasam. So let this cook for about 3 to 4 minutes. Though it's a very lengthy process, The taste of this payasam is really yummy. You will definitely relish it. So I'm also going to add about 3/4 teaspoon of the dry ginger powder. This is the main ingredient of this payasam. Few people even add the elaichi powder or the cardamom powder. So it's been about 4 to 5 minutes. So finally I'm going to add the first coconut milk, which is the thick milk. And for extra richness, I'm going to add some butter. Preferably the homemade butter. This gives you a very good flavor. But if you don't have the homemade butter, you can always add the unsalted butter, which is available in the stores. After adding the first coconut milk, you should not allow it to cook it for a longer time. You can switch off the gas. Now our Chadachadayam payasam is ready. It's really flavorful. This is one of the favorite payasam for the Lord Ayyappa. So let's transfer this to the serving bowl. The very tasty, yummy, flavorful Idichapunja payasam or the Chadachadayam payasam is ready to be served. So I hope you'll all try out this recipe, and if you like it, please share it with your friends and relatives. Have a great day.